In today's fast-paced digital world, the demand for high-speed internet connectivity has never been greater. With the advent of 5G technology, a new era in home internet is dawning, promising faster, smarter, and better connections for consumers. In this video, we are going to be talking about 5G home broadband, also known as 5G Internet for Home. I'll be testing out Safaricom Kenya's 5G for home internet connection and telling you if it's a suitable alternative to your home fiber connection. First, what exactly is 5G for home internet? In simple terms, 5G for home or 5G broadband is a home internet service that runs on the same 5G network as your smartphone. 5G is essentially an upgrade to the more popular 4G and offers theoretical speeds of up to 100 times faster than its predecessor. The most significant difference between 5G and previous versions is the increased efficiency and decreased latency. This enables more sophisticated activities such as heavy file downloads, 4K and 8K streaming, home automation, and online gaming. 5G home internet uses a fixed router with a SIM card rather than running a cable into your home like a fiber connection. You might be asking yourself, why should I buy a 5G router when I can just use the hotspot from my smartphone? Compared to using your smartphone, 5G routers are better suited for home internet. Their signal transmitting capability is more powerful than that of your smartphone. So in some places where your smartphone cannot pick up a signal, the router probably can. 5G routers are also built to accommodate more users as compared to your smartphone. Unlike fiber connections which are fixed to your home or business, the 5G router is mobile, so you can also use it when you travel for work or go up country during the holidays. For you to use 5G home internet, you have to make sure that you live in an area that has 5G coverage. In Kenya, Safaricom has been rolling out 5G in select regions, but coverage is still expanding. Safaricom has a page on their website that lists all the areas that are 5G ready in Kenya. Now let's talk about cost. For you to be onboarded on Safaricom's 5G for home, you have to purchase the 5G router, which is 12,000 Kenya shillings. You also have to purchase a Safaricom SIM card at 100 Kenya shillings as well as a 5G package. The packages start at 3,499 Kenya shillings for 400 gigabytes per month, 5,999 shillings for 800 gigabytes, and 9,999 shillings for 1,500 gigabytes. This is to say that the cheapest amount you can spend to be onboarded is 15,600 Kenya shillings if you select the lowest package. So it is not cheap. However, Safaricom also has an option to get the device for free if you commit to an 18-month contract. In terms of hardware, the 5G device that you get when you purchase the Safaricom 5G for home is the Nokia 5G Gen 2 router. The Nokia router is very sleek and it will fit perfectly no matter where you put it. I also like that it comes with an Ethernet port, although there is no Ethernet cable bundled with it in the box. Setting up the 5G router is straightforward. Once you buy the device, the Safaricom SIM card will be inserted in the device, and once you're plugged in, you're good to go. To connect to the Wi-Fi, you will find the credentials under the router, but it's also possible to change the Wi-Fi credentials later. In terms of speeds, Safaricom 5G for home offers unlimited speeds, meaning that the downloads and uploads are as fast as the device can attain, provided your data bundle is not exhausted. In my tests, I got average download speeds of around 260 megabits per second and upload speeds of around 60 megabits per second, which is really good. In short, the speeds are more than enough for an average home with multiple users. And since it has Wi-Fi 6, you will be getting very fast wireless speeds, unlike the previous Wi-Fi generations, which can be affected by the signals from your neighbors. Compared to Safaricom Home Fiber, the 5G for home holds up really well. On fiber, you'll have to pay at least 12,500 Kenya shillings to get the same speeds, and that's more than 3 times the price of the base package on the 5G for home router. Safaricom's 5G router allows for more advanced controls through the Nokia Wi-Fi app. The app allows you to see the devices that are connected to your network, set up family profiles, as well as rename your Wi-Fi and password. If you're a more advanced user, you can also log into the device using the web interface, which allows for advanced Wi-Fi controls. In terms terms of use cases, aside from the normal usage like browsing, you can use Safaricom 5G internet to download content and large files faster than most fiber plans. You can also use it for streaming 4K and 8K content as well as for live broadcast applications. I have actually used the device to live stream a 2-day conference to multiple platforms and it worked perfectly, and that's actually why I got it. The standout feature of this device, in my opinion, is its ability to provide high-speed internet anywhere in Kenya as long as there's power and a 5G mobile network available. It's also ideal for individuals seeking fast home internet in areas without fiber infrastructure. In conclusion, I think that Safaricom's 5G internet is a good deal because the speeds are very good and Safaricom's 5G network is the best in Kenya. Also, they offer a modern and good-looking device which supports Wi-Fi 6. Their pricing is also very competitive because at just 3,499 Kenya shillings, you get a 400 GB bundle with unlimited speeds. 400 GB is more than enough for a small household for 1 month for doing things like watching Netflix, browsing, and taking video calls. That said, the only issue with Safaricom 5G for home is that it has a high initial cost, and that is because you have to purchase the 5G device. But I still think this is not an issue if you're planning to use it in the long run. In the next video, I'll be comparing Safaricom's 5G for home internet with Airtel's 5G for home, so make sure you subscribe so that you're notified when that goes live. See you in the next video.